In front of me is Honor Pad 8, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by launching clock and tapping on alarm section at the bottom left corner. Then click on this plus at the bottom on the right. Now set up an hour on the left. And then adjust all of those options however you want to. Firstly, click on repeat and tap on days of the week that you wish to set up. To save them, hit OK. Then click on sound and tap on the best option for you. You can hit music on device and pick any song from your tablet by tapping on it and going back. You can also select one of those melodies the same way. Then hit label over here and type in wherever you want to if you want to. To save your label, hit OK. Now click on ring duration and decide how many minutes your alarm will ring if you don't react. Last but not least, tap on snooze duration and thanks to those two sliders, decide how many minutes your snooze will take and how many times it will repeat. To save your changes, tap on OK. Finally, to save your alarm, use this check mark at the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully added. To switch it off completely, use blue switcher next to it, and to turn it back on, hit the same, now grey one. If you want to make some changes to your alarm, click on it, change wherever you want to, and click on the same check mark. To get rid of it, click on it again, and this time tap on Delete option at the bottom. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!